Getting kids into the tub can be a battle, but the right bubble bath makes it a party. The problem is finding one that makes huge bubbles without drying out their sensitive skin or causing tears. I went out and bought the 5 most popular bubble baths for kids, from the classics to the natural stuff, and tested them for bubble size, smell, and gentleness so you don't have to waste your money. Product number 1, Aveeno Kids Bubble Bath Sensitive Skin. I started with the Aveeno Kids Bubble Bath. Holding the bottle, I noticed it's specifically branded for sensitive skin, which is a big deal if your little one gets itchy easily. It has oat extract in it and the texture is really creamy. When I poured about 3 capfuls under the running water, I was surprised. Usually, sensitive stuff doesn't foam well, but this created massive, fluffy bubbles. The best part was after the bath. My kid's skin actually felt softer, not dry like some cheaper soaps leave it. It has a light scent, but it's super mild. If your child has eczema or really delicate skin but still wants the fun of a bubble mountain, this is the safest bet that actually delivers on the bubbles while keeping their skin protected. Product number 2, Mr. Bubble Original Bubble Bath. Then I went for the absolute classic, Mr. Bubble. Seeing that bright pink bottle brought back so many childhood memories. It smells exactly like bubble gum. That original scent is unmistakable. I poured just 2 ounces in and honestly the bubbles were out of control. They were huge and more importantly, they lasted the entire bath time. A lot of natural ones pop in 5 minutes, but these stuck around for the long haul. It is hypoallergenic and tear-free, so it's safe, but it definitely feels more like a fun product than a skincare one. If you want that massive Hollywood-style bubble bath and want to save some money because you get 2 big bottles in a pack, you really can't beat the king of bubbles for pure entertainment value. Product number 3, True Kid Bubble Pods. Next, I tried something totally different, True Kid Bubble Pods. Instead of a heavy bottle, you get a bag of these little water-soluble pods. I loved this because there's no measuring and no sticky spills on the side of the tub. You just toss one under the tap. It dissolved instantly and created a nice layer of foam. I tested the lavender scent and it was really calming without being perfume-heavy. Since it's just 5 ingredients and eco-friendly, I felt good using it. The bubbles aren't as massive as Mr. Bubble, but they are decent. If you hate the mess of liquid soaps or want something easy to travel with, these pods are brilliant. Plus, there are no plastic bottles to throw away, which is a nice bonus. Product number 4, the Honest Company Foaming Natural Bubble Bath. I also tested the Honest Company's Foaming Bubble Bath. I picked up the Lavender Calm version. The bottle looks premium and the liquid inside is thick. When I ran the water, it didn't just make bubbles, it made this dense, rich foam. The smell is fantastic. It's real essential oils, not fake chemical smells. I noticed it was super gentle on the eyes, too. We had a splash fight and there were no tears at all. It is a bit pricier per ounce, but you can tell the ingredients are higher quality with things like chamomile and calendula. If you are looking for a spa-like experience for your toddler to help them chill out before bed, this is the premium choice to grab. Product number 5, Dr. Teal's Kids 3-in-1 Sleep Bath. Finally, I used Dr. Teal's Kids 3-in-1 Sleep Bath. This is a multitasker. It's a bubble bath, body wash, and shampoo all in one. The standout feature here is the melatonin and essential oils. I was skeptical, but the scent really is relaxing. It smells like a sleepy bedtime tea. It created decent bubbles, maybe not the biggest on the list, but plenty for playing. The fact that I could just grab the bubbles and use them to wash my kids' hair made the whole process faster. It rinsed clean without leaving a residue. If you need a strict bedtime routine to wind your kids down and want to get the washing done quickly without switching bottles, this is a lifesaver. Whether you need the massive bubbles of the classic pink bottle or the skin-soothing power of oatmeal, one of these will make bath time way easier. I've left links to all 5 in the description so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.